So the latest creation by JoJo. Ooh. So what is this, Josiah?
I finished.
What is it, though? What is it?
Racing blocks.
Racing block. What are you doing with the remote?
No, the remote is on the game.
The remote's on the game. I thought that was the remote control to your TV.
This is mine. It's old game.
The remote control's for the game. You working out? You working out? You getting big muscles?
Make big monsters.
1, 2, 5. May the force be with you.
Me a force for you.
May the force be with you.
Me a force with you.
May the force
May the force.
be with. May the fourth be with you.
Death Star.
That's a Death Star. Taste the lemon.
Take a lick. Take a big lick. Go. Take a bite.
Bite.
Take a bite.
What are you doing, bud?
The key.
What are you doing?
I am playing.
Playing music?
I'm playing music.
Say hi, how are you? Make them talk.
No.
No. What are they doing?
I'm rolling.
What are they doing?
Rolling.
They're rolling.
No.
Roaring. Roaring. Okay. They're not fighting? Are they fighting? Josiah? Are they fighting?
Yes. You're happy.
You're happy?
These are eggs.
Yeah?
Yahoo!
Who's that?
That's a Grandpa Pig.
Grandpa Pig? Okay.
He picture of
What about him?
big red bird.
Big Red Bird. What about him?
Red bird.
And who's this?
King Pig.
King Pig. And who's this?
Toucan.
Toucan. And that?
Chicken.
Okay. And who's he?
Bird.
Bombird. And who's this?
Pig.
And who are these guys?
Two bluebirds.
Two bluebirds. What's this?
No. This.
Oh, sorry. Who's he?
One bluebird.
And how about him?
No. How about them?
Oh, him. Okay, then.
Two piggies. One piggy.
And how about this guy?
Yellow bird.
Yellow bird. Okay. What about this?
Golden egg.
Yeah, and what about these?
3 eggs.
Yeah.
3 eggs.
3 eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, what did you say that was?
The Eeyore's house.
It's Eeyore's house.
Owl's house.
And Owl's house. Really?
Owl's died across.
Owl died on a cross? No. Owl didn't die on a cross.
Jesus died across. That's a hose.
It's a house.
No, that's a hose.
A hose.
It's a block hose.
A block hose. Can you tell me again what everything's made of? What's this?
Ice.
Okay, that's the ice. What's this?
Wood. Stones.
And?
Woods.
Cool.
It's first day 19.
What's your name?
I'm Josiah.
Really? How old are you?
I am 6.
You are?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're positive?
Yes.
What?
This good? It's very leveling.
Leveling. What are you doing with the veggie chips?
You levels.
Levels. Aren't you supposed to eat them?
You read levels.
Oh, levels. Are you going to eat them, though?
No, not eat.
Not eat them? Why not? Level them, okay.
Levels.
What about the levels?
He's in the monster.
Monster. Okay. So these are all the levels, you say? That's a lot of levels.
He's got levels. His own levels are left.
Okay.
And the levels are left.
Mm-hmm.
Yellow, orange, green, yellow, yellow. This is yellow,
What are they levels for?
yellow,
What are they levels for?
orange. What
What?
are you levels?
What levels?
Green,
Green levels.
yellow, orange.
Okay.
That's my own levels to fish.
Okay. Okay, what am I supposed to be taking a picture of?
Bat. It's with black wings. He's a bat.
You're a bat?
You're a bat,
Are you being a bat?
bat boy.
A bat boy? You mean like a bat that flies and hangs upside down? Yes. Okay.